go home with the points here today. And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team. That's nicely played. The attacker is in possession. Passes it to the other side. And he stayed onside. It's Lacazette, and that is a fantastic goal. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. And he's back in possession. They're appealing, but he's onside. Surely now! He's scored a brace. Oh, we need to see that goal again. It's 2-0 now. Well cut out. The striker picks it up. It's Lacazette. Oh, how unlucky. That's well out by the defence. Distributes the play. Oh, wonderful trickery here. It's Lacazette. Will be disappointed with that effort. He's headed the ball forward. Lacazette. He dribbles the ball forward. Nice work there. Playing the ball down the flanks. It's Lacazette. Good save by the goalkeeper. Well taken goal. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much deserved goal. The goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. The striker picks it up. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. And he hits it. Good effort there. Oh, easy decision here. It's a goal. Let's take. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Headed on. We're into time added on now. Played in field. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Passed well. Great first half here. Some fantastic goals. Some positive words from the manager. And we'll be back after the break. Passed inside. Played in field. He's unstoppable with the ball. Well timed then. Great defending. No players gone into the book yet. That's nicely played. It's Lacazette. He kicks the ball away from danger. And he's given possession away in a dangerous long shot. And that's off target. And that's a goal kick. Though it's a tactical change here then. At the striker's feet. This one has gone out of play. Players then warming up on the touchline. Get it back inside. And here's a chance. And that's his hat-trick. He's going home with the match ball. And his teammates join in to start the celebrations. Great goal there. Let's see that one again. Fantastic performance from this player. And an example to young players everywhere as he grabs a hat-trick. Oh, he did really well there. And with the defender now. Well cut out. Oh, he's onside here. It's Lacazette. 4 goals for this player. He's unstoppable. Here's a replay of that great goal. Let's see how this sub changes things.
The referee gets the game back underway. He did well to win the ball back.
Striker's ball.
It's Lacazette. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Thrown out by the goalkeeper.
Distributes the play.
Not a good challenge.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Lacazette. It's Lacazette. It's back with the goalkeeper. Thrown out by the keeper.
Won the ball.
It's Lacazette. The keeper's blocked that one.
It's with the striker now.
He's found an opening. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping.
The fourth official.
And the referee plays for full time. Big win for this team and some great goals. The manager will be pleased.